discover 15 new Amazon woodworking tools that are truly on another level. From advanced measuring gadgets to innovative cutting and clamping systems, these tools redefine precision, efficiency, and creativity in the workshop. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, each tool is designed to elevate your projects and make woodworking faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Explore the latest innovations shaping the future of woodworking today. Dodowin Contour Tool. The Dodowin Contour tool is a precision shape copying gauge designed to replicate irregular profiles and angles for woodworking, construction, flooring, and DIY applications. Unlike electronic contouring tools, it's a manual device made for tracing physical shapes with accuracy. Built from durable rust-proof ABS plastic, it features a connectable design, locking mechanism, and dual-sided inch-centimeter scales. The ultra-thin blades ensure fine detail capture without surface damage, while adjustable pin tightness enhances usability. Compact and portable, the Dodowin Contour tool is ideal for carpentry, flooring installations, home improvement, and modeling projects, making it an essential addition to any craftsman's toolkit. Milescraft Sanding Block. The Milescraft Sanding Block lineup offers smart, efficient solutions for a variety of sanding tasks. Models like the Sandit 1622 and Sand Devil series 1605, 1606, 1607 provide versatility and precision for both light and heavy-duty sanding. The Sandit features 4 sanding profiles for shaping flat, curved, or tight areas, while the Sand Devil uses sanding belts and a clever lever for quick changes. The Sand Plane 1620 and Edge Sander 1621 add versatility with interchangeable profiles and edge sanding capabilities, delivering professional results for woodworking projects of any size. Milescraft Joint Mate. The Milescraft Joint Mate is a compact, handheld dowel jig designed to make precise dowel joints quickly and easily. Ideal for creating edge, corner, and surface joints, it features self-centering posts that automatically align the drill guide for perfect accuracy. Hardened steel bushings ensure straight holes every time, while adjustable fences allow for consistent hole placement across various board thicknesses. Compatible with multiple dowel sizes, the Joint Mate offers versatility, minimal setup, and reliable durability. Available as a standalone tool or in a complete kit with drill bits, dowel pins, and accessories, it's a must-have for any serious woodworker seeking accuracy and simplicity. Wetols Corner Clamp. The Wetols Corner Clamp is a precision 90-degree right-angle tool designed for woodworking, framing, and welding tasks. Available in models like the WE 705/WE 706 aluminum alloy single-handle clamp and the WE 404 spring-loaded version, it offers both strength and convenience. The adjustable single-handle model features a die-cast aluminum body, a rotating swing jaw for varying thicknesses, and an ergonomic anti-slip grip. The spring-loaded model enables one-handed operation, ideal for smaller projects, and is built from durable polyamide. Both versions ensure secure, accurate joints, perfect for assembling cabinets, frames, or metalwork, making Wetols clamps a trusted choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Milescraft Center Finder. the Milescraft Center Finder. 8408 is an innovative layout tool that ensures fast and accurate centerline marking for boards up to 2.5 inches thick. Perfect for woodworking, it also allows easy offset marking in precise 1/16 inch increments up to 5/8 inch. Built from durable ABS plastic, it includes a built-in pencil holder and a rare earth magnet for convenient storage on metal surfaces. Its ergonomic design makes it simple to use. Just straddle the edge, insert your pencil, and glide smoothly for perfect centered lines every time. A must-have for anyone seeking accuracy and efficiency in their woodworking projects. Black+Decker 20 volt sander. The Black+Decker 20 volt max. Sander lineup delivers cordless convenience and reliable performance for all your sanding needs. Powered by the interchangeable 20 volt max battery system, the Mouse Detail Sander BDCMS20 is ideal for precision work and tight spaces, featuring an ergonomic grip, 12,000 OPM speed, and easy hook and loop pad changes. The Random Orbital Sander BDCRO20 excels at larger projects, combining spinning and elliptical motion for a swirl-free finish. Both models feature efficient dust collection systems, compact designs, and tool-free operation, making them perfect for DIYers and professionals seeking smooth, clean, and consistent results on any woodworking or finishing task. Lexicon Miter Saw. The Lexicon Miter Saw Protractor, model LX230, is a precision tool designed to ensure accurate angle measurements for professional carpenters and DIY woodworkers. Crafted from CNC machined, anodized aluminum alloy, it's durable, rust-proof, and built for long-term reliability. Featuring dual laser engraved scales for miter and single cuts, it allows perfect angle settings for joints, trims, and crown mouldings. The smooth Teflon O-ring mechanism and fine friction locking system provide precise, stable readings, while the white on black markings ensure clear visibility in any light. Ideal for complex woodworking projects, it simplifies achieving flawless, professional quality cuts every time. Slabathor. The Slabathor is an innovative robotic router sled built to transform how woodworkers flatten large or irregular slabs. Unlike its name suggests, it doesn't lift slabs, it precisely levels them into smooth, even surfaces with minimal effort. Featuring robotic operation, universal router compatibility, and dual control options via app or onboard buttons, the Slabathor ensures accuracy and ease. Its rail-on-rail system accommodates any slab size, while upgraded magnetic end stops and a 10-foot power cord enhance setup convenience, safety, and performance for professional-grade woodworking. DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool. The DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool is a versatile powerhouse built for precision, performance, and convenience. Available in both corded and cordless versions like the DWE315K and DCS356B, it offers flexibility for any job site. Featuring a brushless motor for extended runtime, a dual grip variable speed trigger for precise control, and a quick change accessory system for tool-free swaps, it simplifies multitasking. The LED light enhances visibility, while ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use. With universal accessory compatibility and multiple blades included, the DEWALT multi-tool is ideal for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding across wood, metal, and other materials. Micro-Jig Dovetail Clamps. The Micro-Jig Match Fit. Dovetail clamps revolutionize traditional clamping by offering unmatched flexibility and precision. Designed to work with a custom, user-made dovetail track system, these clamps eliminate the need for costly T-tracks by allowing you to route your own grooves using a 1/2 inch, 14-degree dovetail bit. Their dovetail-shaped head slides smoothly into the track for secure, unobstructed clamping anywhere on your work surface. With up to 595 pounds of clamping force, soft grip handles, and optional X-pad or ratchet accessories, these clamps deliver powerful, versatile performance for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a more efficient, customizable workshop setup. KLEIN Digital Electronic Level. The KLEIN Digital Electronic Level is a precision measuring tool designed for professionals who demand accuracy and durability. Available in various models such as the 935 DAG and 935 DAGL. These digital levels feature a high visibility reverse contrast LCD, an auto-rotating display, and a powerful magnetic base for hands-free use on steel surfaces. With V-groove edges, dual measurement ranges, and zero calibration, it ensures accurate angle readings. Premium models like the 935 DAGL add programmable angles, audible and visual alerts, and dual-axis bullseye functionality, making it ideal for electricians, HVAC technicians, and builders who need reliable, advanced measurement performance on the job site. Edward Tools Rubber Mallet Hammer. The Edward Tools Rubber Mallet Hammer is a versatile, soft blow tool designed for precision work that demands power without surface damage. Available in 8-ounce and 16-ounce versions, it features a durable, non-marring rubber head that prevents scratches and dents on delicate materials such as wood, tile, or laminate. The double-faced head ensures longer tool life, while the ergonomic, non-slip grip enhances comfort and control. Choose between a solid wood or shock-absorbing fiberglass handle for your preferred balance of durability and feel. Ideal for woodworking, flooring, carpentry, and camping. This mallet comes backed by Edward Tools' lifetime warranty. Kreg KHI-HINGE. The Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig, model KHI-HINGE, is an essential tool for anyone installing concealed or Euro-style cabinet hinges with professional precision. It eliminates the need for a drill press, allowing you to use a standard hand drill to create perfect 35mm hinge cup holes every time. With built-in indexing tabs, adjustable offset cams, and integrated measuring scales, it ensures consistent accuracy and clean results. The carbide-tipped drill bit, depth stop collar, and hardened steel guide deliver reliable drilling performance. Made from durable glass-filled nylon, this jig is lightweight, easy to use, and ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Skil router table. The Skil router table lineup, including the SRT 1039 and RAS 900 models, is designed for woodworkers who value precision, convenience, and portability. The SRT 1039 stands out with its stable fixed leg design, large aluminum fence, and above table bit height. Adjustment for effortless fine tuning. It also includes integrated bit storage, universal router compatibility, and efficient dust collection. The RAS 900, on the other hand, offers a pre-assembled, foldable design with integrated storage, making it ideal for compact workshops and on-the-go projects. Both models include essential accessories like featherboards, miter gauges, and bit inserts, delivering accuracy, organisation, and performance for any woodworking enthusiast. Einhell Cordless Circular Saw. The Einhell Cordless Circular Saw series delivers precision, power, and portability through the versatile Power Exchange 18-volt system, which uses one battery across multiple tools. Designed for DIYers and professionals, these saws feature tool-free adjustments, LED lighting, ergonomic soft grip handles, and dust extraction ports for clean and efficient cutting. Models like the TECS range suit home projects, while the TPCS Professional series adds brushless motors, higher speeds, and deeper cutting capacity for heavy-duty use, all built with Einhell's signature German engineering quality.